So this area is clear. As you remember on last video, 6 foot tall, brambles, legs cut to hell, you can see. Just gonna go get some gravel now, 20mm gravel with obviously to ram down over underneath it. And then they can use it for hanging the washing out, grandkids playing on it, whatever they want. I think her and her neighbour are getting it done. So nobody has a dispute about it then. She didn't report her or whatever, everyone's happy. So yeah, let's go for some gravel, first lot. So fast forward 4 hours, few trips to the quarry for the gravel, and we are here, nice and clear. It's crazy to see what it was like before, to be honest with you, but it's just stopped down there where I said where Laurel starts. Laurel's start getting thick here. Just stopped here. We're going to chop this branch, and then there's another one over there. We're going to chop them, just low hanging out there. Yeah, nice little gate going in there, and we should be finished today. Just work over an hour to get this gate in, and it's sorted. Quite a nice area, but I don't think it's needed.
I'm gone. I'm not far. And then middle of them two. Got inside to inside. 1467 there. Yeah? Yeah. God, I need a shit. Sorry.
Rheatis.
Nearly yesterday, I just didn't have a shave.
Key ingredient.
Leeds are top at league now, aren't they? Joint top. Till tonight. Everyone's playing tonight.
Good result against Watford for that.
Yeah. So Dale, we used to work with, little dick. He's 7:30 to December. His mate's Tom Cleverley, who's now manager of Watford. Yeah. I remember when he were at Bradford. Square it. He were at Bradford and he signed for Man United. Went off in his little Audi. Come back 2 weeks later in a big, massive Q7, glammed up to hell. You know, it was just like, yeah, Man U just bought you that, mate. What a joke. 1955. Makes that short, so push yours this way. No, this way. Yeah. Should be 1960 then.
No, I never moved, bro.
No? What it?
1965 and 1955.
65 that way?
Yeah.
Yeah, 60, yeah. Yeah.
Do you want the little one?
No, we'll just do them evenly.
Put them out evenly.
Yeah. And that? Who was that?
Yeah. You know if you were to do it double sided, how would that work?
Do this way,
Yeah.
make it like this, and you just guide your other ones in between them, proper heavy. Mine's acoustic, so mine's like that, and then on the front, massive gate, so heavy. It hadn't even moved actually. Thought it would have done, but.
How would you hang it if you're by yourself?
I'll do it with. So I've got one post angled that way and one post angled that way. I was like, I cannot hang this gate at all. Like, I'll do it tomorrow. I'll nip in. Come and did it, and it was like, and he did it on it, but you can lift the car in there, can't you? Did it himself, man. So that's top. This box is on it. Yeah. You've been doing that. Where's the top?
Top's that one. Fucking that nail's just in there.
Like that. Quite dramatic. Yeah, man. Got some blood. Lift it out, put it back in.
Dire.
It's not done it like.
Yeah, but definitely so.
Yeah, I got two. Oh, they've done a shorter one and a longer one. Bloody hell.
Nice. Not time. Probably just cost us about fucking £8 more.
Yeah, go on, go for it. Plenty of room anyway.
That one is that one. I fell asleep on that. So I finished it. We were doing exactly the same. Like in between, and I'm like, yeah.
She is. It's well cute.
It is, but deaf and blind.
I don't get why she's got a week off though. Then at Christmas she'll moan that she has to work, she's on holiday.
I don't know if she's managed it. She's in there for like loads of holidays left than that.
Yeah. Yeah, we've been going to hospital and stuff all the time.
Yeah, but she's got to take them
For
New Year.
yeah.
She don't get them. I don't know.
Alright.
No.
It's perfect. I knew they'd do it right at some point.
Just chopped all this foot off.
Went in a taxi Monday or you know.
You know what?
I went in a taxi Monday or
Yeah.
and it was like a hybrid thing. Well nice inside. Yeah, they're just traffic cat like Phil's got a Monday on it.
That taxi driver there, you
Oh
know. Every
mate.
girl that you get in, I'm like, this is easy, it's me.
Toyota Corolla, I'd love a Toyota Corolla.
We're telling you. That's good, Anna.
Can't put them. Frank always tells me that I speak about religion to them and stuff. Like how good their community is, you know, like on this street here now, they'd all put into a pot.
Yeah.
They'd all put a £5 a week in, and then at the end of every month, it's your turn, and then it's your turn, and then it's your turn. But if you were bright about it, you'd only ever use that £5 once, receive it, and then give it back.
Yeah.
You'd never touch your own money, but it's helping someone else, isn't it?
Yeah.
You know? But nah, you're making money out of me.
Okay, see, get out of that.
Yeah.
Let's have a look. There you go. All done. Gate's done. New post in. Easy. Easy, he says. 4:30. not really a good time, is it? Should be at home now. So I've put a piece of timber up here. Just put a hook on, and I've just attached a piece of timber here, rather than digging everywhere and putting a washing line pole in the middle. You know what I mean? Bit of freebie in it, bit of off-cut wood. Yeah, looks good. I like. We've stepped up. We've had to chop the bottom of the gate off, so it opens up on the gravel. Otherwise, I'd have to open outwards. Which isn't really good. So yeah, like I say, that's done. I think they'll get away with that area. It's a communal area, back of a garage, overgrown to hell. 6 foot of bramble. They've put a gate on it for access. They haven't put a fence on the other side, so they haven't like claimed it. People can still walk through. So I think she'll get away with that. I think she's all right. Right, who's got a Renault, a Nissan, or a Vauxhall tipper van? I've got the Nissan version. Yeah, you've got your mirror up here. Can't see how, because obviously the van's always full, but can you see that reflection there? Right, so my mirror picks up that reflection. When a car's driving towards me, it feels like someone's overtaking me. And as of like next week, Tom's going to be insured on van, and he's going to see it. He's going to go, whoa, and it's not. It's a car coming towards you, not a car coming from behind. You know what I mean? It's proper bad design, that. Bad design. Right, less of me. See you tomorrow. Starting a new job. Only a tiny one. A few day job. So have a good evening, guys. See you soon.